Blessed is the one who walks in your light, turning from the paths where shadows fill the night. His joy is in your word, his heart forever drawn. He dwells upon your word in darkness and in light.